हाय एवरीवन, आज के इस लेसन में हम सीखने वाले हैं 48 कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस। दो सेंटेंसेस जिन्हें एक वर्ड आपस में ज्वाइन कर रहा हो वो कहलाते हैं कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस। इन सेंटेंसेस की आज हम लिस्ट देखने वाले हैं, तो वीडियो को अंत तक ज़रूर देखिएगा। और अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो हमारे चैनल इब्राहिम टीवी इंग्लिश को भी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन के बटन को भी प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आप हमारी कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना कर सकें। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपना आज का लेसन। He came first, therefore he got a good seat. Although studying French seems difficult, it's simpler than you think. I will register as soon as possible and start working. She loved flowers and I always bought her flowers. However, she didn't like to get them. She didn't want to go to the dentist, yet she went anyway. My father's job is very difficult, but he enjoys going to work every day. As soon as Mary arrives in the room, I will start telling her what we are experiencing today. I would like to help you with this and ease your burden, yet unfortunately I have no time. Would you rather go to the movie that we talked about last night or spend the day at home with Netflix? George is very clever, but he doesn't study his lessons. I could not go to the school early because I studied lesson until last night. Unless you are too tired, let's go for a walk at the park. I studied for long hours at night, therefore I got very high marks from the final exams. I want to sleep at home, but on the other hand, I have to get into work and earn money. I cannot come with you. I have to go to work. In addition, there is someone I need to see at 2 p.m. Sorry. Whenever my aunt comes to us, she brings some good gifts for my brothers. As a result, these issues are not for you because your age is much younger. She speaks 3 languages besides. Jack is completely unlike his father. I don't want you to talk to me again because you lied to me. Even though they were millionaires, they drive old cars. Since I see you, I am better. They can listen to music provided they disturb nobody. He had a good time with his family even though he was very busy yesterday. तो दोस्तों, ये था आज का हमारा लेसन। उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। आपसे मिलेंगे अगले नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।